Hello, some of you have been having a question about how to download and install aircraft from GitHub. So we're going to go over that today real fast. So let's say install the IDG A32X. You go to their GitHub page, go to clone or download, click on download zip. We'll download this file right here. I already downloaded it because it's really big. So we're going to go into downloads. First thing you want to do, right click, extract all. Just hit extract. It'll take a while. So while it's doing that, we're going to go to our documents folder. Inside documents, there's FlightGear. Open up FlightGear. We're going to make a folder just for the aircraft you downloaded. Let's go downloaded aircraft. Save that one. Or not save that one, we'll just leave it right there. Still waiting on this. Okay, that's done. So you see this pop up? Right click, rename, move the master. Now, if you open that one up, see all the system files. That's perfect. That's what we want. Take this one. We're going to move it into our downloaded aircraft folder. If you have multiple planes you want to install, I have the MiG-21 here just as an example. Extract it. Faster, it's a little smaller. Alright, so that's done extracting. We're going to right click, rename master. Check, this is where all the files are. That's what we want. Copy, drag. Perfect. So now let's open up our FlightGear launcher. I don't use this launcher, that's why it's doing this. Sorry. One sec. Come on. All right, there we go. We're going to go to add-ons. Going to additional aircraft folders, add. Go to documents. Like here, the folder we made, select folder. Now, if we go to our aircraft, we have IDG, and this is my MiG-21 that we installed. So that's how you install aircraft. It's pretty easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the Discord.